CBSE Class X Science Syllabus. 1. Chemical reactions and equations. This chapter introduces students to the concept of chemical reactions, the different types of chemical reactions, and how to balance chemical equations. 2. Acids, bases, and salts. In this chapter, students will learn about the properties and uses of acids, bases, and salts, along with their pH values and indicators. 3. Metals and nonmetals. This chapter deals with the properties and uses of metals and nonmetals, including their chemical and physical properties, and how to extract them from their ores. 4. Carbon and its compounds. Students will study the properties and uses of carbon and its compounds, including hydrocarbons, ethanol, and soaps. 5. Periodic classification of elements. In this chapter, students will learn about the periodic table and how it is organized, including the properties of different elements. 6. Life processes. This chapter covers the various life processes that occur in living organisms, including nutrition, respiration, transportation, and excretion. 7. Control and coordination. In this chapter, students will learn about the nervous system and how it controls and coordinates different body functions. 8. How organisms reproduce. This chapter deals with the various modes of reproduction in living organisms, including asexual and sexual reproduction. 9. Heredity and evolution. Students will learn about the principles of heredity and genetics, including the laws of inheritance and the mechanism of evolution. 10. Light reflection and refraction. In this chapter, students will study the properties of light, including reflection and refraction, and how they apply to lenses and mirrors. 11. The human eye and the colorful world. This chapter covers the structure and functions of the human eye, including how it perceives color. 12. Electricity. Students will learn about the different types of electric circuits, the laws of electric currents, and the working of various electrical appliances. 13. Magnetic effects of electric current. In this chapter, students will learn about magnetic fields and how they are generated by electric currents, including the working of motors and generators. 14. Sources of energy. This chapter covers the different sources of energy, including conventional and non-conventional sources, and their advantages and disadvantages. 15. Our environment. In this chapter, students will study the various components of the environment, including air, water, and soil, and how to conserve them. 16. Management of natural resources. This chapter deals with the management of natural resources, including their sustainable use, conservation, and protection. These are the major chapters in the CBSE Class X Science syllabus.